Welcome to ScienceMyHealth, your channel for health and research information. Cataracts are a leading cause of vision loss, and while surgery works, it can be expensive and not always available for everyone. A new study from Advances in Pharmacotherapy of Cataracts, Annals of Translational Medicine suggests that future eye drops or medications could one day treat cataracts without surgery. Here is your 1, 2, 3 rundown. 1. Scientists tested several compounds that target the protein clumps in the lens that cause cataracts. Substances like lanosterol and 25-hydroxycholesterol showed strong potential for breaking down these clumps, while rosmarinic acid helped prevent proteins from misfolding. 2. In lab tests in animal models, these compounds partially reverse lens cloudiness. That means cataracts might not always be permanent. If the right medication can dissolve the proteins, vision could be restored. 3. While these results are promising, the treatments are still experimental. They haven't been approved for human use yet and are still in the testing stage. But they point to a future where cataracts could be treated more easily and affordably without surgery. And that's your 1, 2, 3 rundown. The takeaway? Protecting your eyes with healthy habits like limiting UV exposure and managing conditions such as diabetes is important, but research is moving us closer to non-surgical cataract treatments that could change care for millions. Subscribe to Science My Health for easy-to-understand health news.